Something massive is happening in the global economy. A $4 trillion shift is quietly redrawing the world map, and it starts here. Welcome to Vietnam and the nation, transforming from a hidden gem into the world's next indispensable manufacturing superpower. For decades, China was the world's factory, but today, a new strategy is taking hold. China +1. Global giants like Apple and Samsung are diversifying, pouring billions into high-tech production lines across the Vietnamese landscape. This isn't just about labor costs, it's about a massive infrastructure miracle. Megaports and new highways are cutting through once remote mountains. Sprawling industrial parks are rising at record speeds, creating integrated ecosystems for the world's most complex supply chains. The real secret weapon, the human factor. A young, highly skilled workforce is mastering robotics and precision engineering in state-of-the-art labs. By combining competitive costs with high-tech expertise, this nation is rewriting the rules of global trade and production. As the world pivots toward a new era, one thing is certain: the rise of Vietnam is only just beginning.